Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, in this video, I'm going to talk about the previous videos in which we have shown you the automation. Means it automatically logs on to SAP and automatically executes the C38 and goes to the OBAP and the ABAP object, the program, and executes it using a variant if it is selected. If it is not selected and variant, then it lists you down all the material groups and material types from Mara. Okay. Now, since I have shown you the operation, now let's see the VBA code which has been used. This is very important because having a knowledge of VBA will help you um, do excellent things in the SAP environment using this SAP GUI scripting, combining it with the VBA skills, and using sometimes ABAP code. So these three things, yeah, are uh, means if combined together, you can uh, do the things which normally most of the people you see that they give up. They say this is not possible, right? Uh, because they do not have those expertise which you have while combining the VBA with the SAP GUI scripting and the ABAP, right? Understanding of the tables of SAP database and data dictionary, etc. These are still very important. Uh, Now, let's talk about the VBA, how we have done it. For example, if we log in, we are already logged on to say, and you see we are in the SAP Easy Access mode, right? I minimize it and I straight away execute this thing. So it is going to SE38. It's executing the object, right? And then it has finished, right? Okay. So you can execute it, and you will see that all the material types and the groups are listed for you. Okay. Now, now when you see that as soon as you go to back to the Excel, you will see a message saying OK. Okay, if you click OK and you watch what happens here, right? It is still showing some screen, but as soon as you click OK, so it takes you where you enter the T code, the starting point, right? Okay. So that is the SAP GUI initial screen. Yeah. So uh, so let's see how it is being done in the code. So we remember you remember when we click execute, it comes it performs the activity and then comes to an OK button, right? So that is our mark where we will see that what code have we written, what methodology we have used, right? So let's see, let's go to the macro. And this is the macro which was uh, executed in order to take you to the SE38. Yeah, and this is the SE38. And when it is used and it comes to an end, then this message OK was shown, right? As soon as you click the OK, so this was the thing which was performed to get back to the SAP Easy Access screen. So this ensures it's a do while loop, the do while loop, which is doing what? It is hitting F3 each time. This 3 stands uh, for press exit, right? For exit, you press F3 in it. So this is the command which says that take it close. Okay, take to uh, means get back button, right? So so each time it is pressing back button and making sure that the left of 15 character of this the window is SAP easy access or not, right? So these are the 15 characters, and there may be one and two character additional, but we are interested that initially left from the left 15 character should be this, right? Because we know our SAP screen when it is used, it starts with this, right? SAP easy access. So this is the point which um, we are setting our code to monitor, and as soon as this becomes equal to this text, then it exits this do and returns the control, right? So this is the thing which we have used. And this is the code which says that take your um, uh, means control to the initial sign-on screen of the SAP once the user logs on, right? So it's SAP Easy Access initial screen, right? This is the one thing, right? And while we were seeing this, we see that SE38 also used here, and SE38, yeah, this is the T code when it is. So when SE38 is here, so here is what it is listing down all the variants of that object which you are executing and updating your variance sheet if the lookup fails. It first of all looks up the variant into the V column of variant sheet. Let's get back to the this is the variant sheet, and you have the B column, and in this column you have all the variants. So if any new variance happens to be created, so it will automatically insert the information into it. So basically this variance, this will remain the same because this it is picking the report description, it is picking from this. That remains unchanged, right? Only the thing which is changing is the variant name, right? So the variant names are being being taken from the screen, right? That is the layout variable is actually the screen, the grid in which you have all the variants listed. So in that list, it is checking the variant name and for one by one, okay, until it goes to the last row, right? So each time it takes a variant into a variable, layout variant, and then it verifies as well to VLOOKUP, right? That it does it exist. If it is not existing, so the VF will be blank. And if it is blank, then what to do? Enter the name of the variant. And once the name of the variant is entered, what would be the the benefit? Your drop down in your system will get updated, right? The drop down, this is your drop down, and this will get updated as soon as you uh, uh, click MN, right? And you select your report. So what it is doing, it is looking up all the information and bringing the object name, entity code, and the mm, variance drop-down information is ready to be selected by the user. Okay? So this is how was our code, which I wanted you to show that how you can automate the things and fix the names of the variants which are available so that the user don't have to worry about which variant to enter, which not to enter. The system will itself list down all the variants and give you the chance to select the variant which you want to execute while running the support. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.